Hello, everyone. Welcome to Short Story Writing. I'm Frankie Rollins. I'm a fiction writer and full-time English faculty for Pima. I have a collection of short stories out called The Sin Eater and Other Stories. I've been teaching at Pima since 2009, and this is one of my favorite classes that I get to teach. I have chosen 4 collections of short stories to study along with a craft book because I think it's really important to have something to either admire or push against as we try new styles of writing, form, content, things like that. So this is really meant to be a very safe space. I consider myself a mentor rather than a judge. So that's sort of the atmosphere you should think of. I have office hours at Desert Vista as well as, which means you can just come into my office anytime during those hours, which are listed on your syllabus and on the widget on the home page. And I also can make appointments, or you can call me or email me. I really want to be available to you. I want you to feel successful and encouraged and bold in your experiments here. So I think that is mostly what I wanted to tell you, just welcome you and let you see my face. I'm an actual person. Here I am, right here, all the time. Okay, so this is my home study, actually, with I've been on sabbatical writing like a fiend, so it's kind of a mess. I was going to clean it up, and then I thought, you know what? Let's just make a video. Okay, looking forward to working with you. Bye.